Simcenter 3D now enables you to link a margin of safety solution to the new attached result solution. This new attached result solution allows you to reference a large amount of result files. Thousands of load cases are now exposed in the margin of safety solution. First, you create a new attached result solution. Then, you can reference up to 1000 OP to results files. As visible in the result file table, each result file contains one or several load cases. All load cases retrieved from all result files are listed in the attached results solution. It is also possible to create combined load cases using load cases coming from any of the result files. After, you can create the margin of safety solution, referencing the new attached solution. Then you create your calculation in the same way that was previously possible. In this case, by using a calculation template. As usual, when you have new calculations, all load cases are selected in the load case set named All. You can create new load case sets from the attached result solution to focus on those that are most relevant. Then these new load case sets become visible and selectable when editing margin of safety calculations.